This is the Divoom Pixoo Max and it's the best Divoom product yet. So what's up guys, Faria and welcome to Shades of Tech. If you're new to the channel, you should know that I stopped monetizing YouTube video. So if you like what we do and you appreciate that and you want to see more, please consider dropping a big like and subscribing with the bell on. It's a huge support for the channel. And I want to thank Divoom for sending this review unit for my honest and unbiased review to tell you everything about this new product with a Retina display. A few months ago we reviewed the Pixoo Max and one of the biggest complaints we had were the old school design with fat bezel and the too low pixel density of the display. Well, Divoom actually listened and now I am happy to show you the Pixoo Max. If you're not familiar with this kind of devices, they are pixel art panel that can display iconic figures and it's a really nice addition to your desk setup. The Pixoo had 16 by 16 pixel, while this Pixoo Max rocks an impressive 32 by 32 pixel, 4 times the pixel density of the previous model. And as you can expect for the device which is 90% screen, it makes huge difference. Every single pixel we had before is basically now 4 pixels, almost like the 1080p to 4K difference, and every single picture is clearer and sharper, and as we know, here we love high resolution content. The other major improvement is the new design that was a weak spot of the previous model. Now, instead of the boxy fat Apple iMac 2020 inspired bezel, we have a lubrified curved glass and the body follows the screen curve, melting in perfectly. I must say that the weight is far less and the footprint makes this device look slimmer and more portable. Being a Pixoo, as you probably know, it's not a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, but it's more a display that will stick on your desk, below your TV, or even on your car. Now you can do that. You can create a really cool configuration behind your car, for example, or you can use it in a shop to display your QR code. The limit is your imagination, because in the Divoom app you can find tons and tons of art and galleries. In conclusion, this seems to be a really cool product. Love the redesign and the Retina screen that takes this device to the next level. My only complaint that is remaining is that it can only display pictures or short movies and cannot connect to the Wi-Fi directly, so it can't make YouTube counter like other brands do, but I guess it's just me nitpicking. At this point you might be thinking, where can I get one? Well, this product is currently running a Kickstarter campaign. If you're interested, you can find all the information in the description. I leave all the links, but hurry up because at the time of recording this video it's ending soon. Probably at the point of you watching this video it could be already available on Amazon. In this case I'll leave the link in the description down below. Not being official, I have no information about the battery, but from the dimension it seems to be the same size of the previous gen Pixoo, so I'm really curious to see how it will handle the 4x resolution screen and if the battery will hold up like the previous model did. So this wraps up for today. Let me know what you guys think about this new product. Be sure to like or dislike this video, subscribe and comment. And as always, stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!